Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to put public in Instagram, only way. Open Instagram and go to your profile, then tap the three lines in the top right corner to access settings. From settings, tap privacy, then account privacy, and toggle off private account. Confirm when prompted and your posts become visible to everyone, including people who don't follow you yet, which helps growth and discoverability. To confirm your posts are public, open a recent post and tap the three dots to view audience options and sharing settings. Make sure there are no manual restrictions or hidden story viewers set for that content. If you plan to share to other platforms, also enable sharing options to increase reach. Regularly review privacy settings after app updates to keep visibility consistent and aligned with your goals. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps us. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep painless and keep salads and sauces separate without spills, perfect for busy creators on the go. They are sturdy, dishwasher-safe, and save time during hectic days so you can focus on content. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If you want more control while being public, switch to a business or creator account to access analytics, contact buttons, and promotional tools. Use targeted hashtags and concise captions to help new viewers find your content, and pin important posts to showcase key information. Keep an eye on comments and direct messages so you can moderate interactions and protect your reputation while enjoying the broader reach of a public Instagram account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.